In this video, we're going to look at just two things. The first is, where are your previous thumbnails that you created stored? They're stored in this open folder here. You open the folder and you see your saved projects here. Once you click that, your projects will be listed one below the other. Now, if you were to use a thumbnail from an existing old video that you have online and you want to edit that thumbnail and change it a bit and then upload it again, you can just click the YouTube thumbnail here. It'll ask you for the URL of that video, place it in the dialog box like I'm here, and import the thumbnail into this editor. Once that's done, you can again just download it to your desktop and then upload it into the YouTube. So it's so simple. To download a thumbnail, all you have to do is click the download button and just wait till it downloads. When it downloads, you'll see it here, or you'll see it in your folder. When you open your folder, as you see here, I've got some downloads there, and it's so simple. So there you go. That's all it is to look at past projects or downloads.